Today's Rudra's turmeric ceremony. The Roy family is celebrating the occasion. But they don't know that their son is branded by Maya. The brand, which will come off only after his death.
Rudra! You are wearing your clothes as if I have never seen you with a t-shirt on. It's the first time I have noticed you feeling shy. What happened? All well? Why didn't you take my call last night? I called since I thought you must be at the bachelor party. Then I realized you have no friends. I will have to host the bachelor party. Listen, Rudra, please take my call. At least until mom and dad are here. You know, it gets weird and they start asking thousands of questions. So, please, okay?
Of course. I'm sorry. Anu, yesterday...
Rudra? Oh, Anu, you are here. And see, we were looking for you downstairs. You look so lovely. Oh my God. You're looking so pretty, baby.
Thank you.
Isn't that right, Rudra? Come on, both of you. It is time for the turmeric ceremony. Come on, let's go. It's getting late. Let's go. Come.
Living, dying, it is all up to you.
I feel as if he's being forced to get married.
Come on, darling, don't worry. Every boy who is supposed to marry looks exactly like this. You forgot about me? Just chill.
Rishi. If Rishi would have been there...
He would have been very happy. Andhra.
After many days, while praying, you look very happy. You're not in tears.
Mother, this isn't joy. This is contentment. I have paid a very heavy price for this contentment.
I thought after meeting Rudra...
By applying new medicine, old wounds will not heal, Mom.
But my dear, they can heal a bit, right? Look. The lamps are going out. At least shut the window, dear.
These lamps won't get put out. They have to light up for the rest of their lives.
Music!
Are you sure?
Of course. My Rudra is getting married. I'll go and apply turmeric.
You will go to this house to meet him at Roy Mansion.
He will come to me.
After last night? Never. He will leave the event, leave Ananya, and leave the guests. You know what you have done, right? You kidnapped him, insulted him, and you branded his hot body with that mark. And all this was done in a day.
The mark is only to remind him that, whether he wants it or not, Maya is always with him.
If he comes here, then I will get confused. Is he eccentric or is it you?
There is eccentricity. But it is about Maya.
Thanks for bringing me back into your life. Don't think so much about me. I'm just a friend.
Hey, son-in-law. Why are you standing here, buddy?
Yes, uncle.
The turmeric ceremony is not over yet. The actual ceremony is still pending.
Which ceremony?
The ceremony of tearing the shirt.
Hey, he's getting married to me, so I get first tips on applying turmeric, right?
Anu, downstairs. Thank you.
It's okay, Rudra. I'm used to it. If I hadn't applied the turmeric today, you were so dead.
Anu,
I know
this
it.
is...
Those marks aren't from the fencing. It's because of something else, which you were doing all night long, right?
Anu, I went fencing. Over there, Maya came and she arranged a bachelor's party for me. And these marks are from that. She was really drunk. Anu, it's not what you think. Trust me, I'm not lying, okay? Seriously. And I myself didn't know she hosted a party.
Rudra, I trust you, but I don't trust Maya. And I will never lie for you in future. Remember that.
What did Maya send me? Hello?
Sir, the lady in black clothes came. She took some of her stuff and went away.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
What happened?
Maya went away and took her book with her.
Maya?
Yes. I must speak to her.
Put the phone in speaker mode.
I'm glad that you have called up, Rudra.
What are you doing, Maya?
I'm staying away from you. If Maya is not worthy of you, then you are not worthy of Maya's book. If every part of you can't be my life, then how can I be a part of your life? The day you understand this, you can call me.
She took her book.
Let her take it away. Anyway, Ruan is a part of NG Uncle's company now. We don't need funding, which means we don't need Maya, Rudra.
Maya has left.
Who cares?
I care. I can't lose Maya. I can't lose Maya's book. Her book is my identity. Anu, I admit everything is okay with that, but that doesn't mean I should forget my identity. I should not forget my hard work and my self-respect. Anu, I don't want people to say that Ruan wanted a handout from Dad. I want people to say that Dad made profits by investing in Ruan. I must go.
Rudra! Rudra, I will come too.
Anu, we both can't go. The family is below. They'll ask many questions. One of us has to stay here.
But
Trust me. Please.
I trust you, Rudra. But I don't trust that Maya.
You said that your books are your soul. Then why do you hate your soul so much?
You have destroyed my soul, Rudra.
No, Maya. I'll not let you get hurt until I'm alive. I'll protect you, your soul, and your book.
You sold my soul, Rudra. What's the point in saving these papers now? You joined hands with your dad. I trusted you, Rudra, not your father.
Please, trust me, Maya.
Trust you? How do I trust you? Our relationship was based on trust. It was a professional one, but I made that decision from my heart. But you betrayed me, Rudra. How can I trust you?
You know very well that this book is your soul and how important it is for you.
No, I don't.
Despite not knowing how to swim, to save your soul hidden in these papers, I jumped in the swimming pool. Unless I save this Maya, I won't get out of the swimming pool. No matter what happens.
If you have the intent, the paths will emerge on their own. You risk your life for my sake. And you conquered your fears for my sake. And you know who people do this for? For the ones they love. Love gives courage. So then why don't you show your courage by accepting me, Rudra? Answer me.
Rudra! Come out!
धोखा दिया, तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा, सन ले गया तू फिर मेरे
I wounded you,
सारी वजह,
so I get the right to apply medicine on it.
तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह,
Happy married life.
तू रहे यूं सदा,
Rudra, come out!
तू बुरी या सजा, तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी, बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी।
What is this on your cheeks, Rudra? You don't look good in few colors.
Some people are so unlucky that they don't look good in any color. You are destined to wear color of turmeric, and I've got only one color in my life, black. Happy married life, Ananya.
गुम है हुआ सब है धुआ, दिल का ना कोई निशान, हुए फासले हुई दूरियां तो खुशियां हुई है फना, मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा, आदत है तू बुरी या सजा।
You shared your turmeric with me, Rudra. This is going to be the first step towards your death.
I don't care. From now on, I don't want you to be in touch with Maya Jai Singh, Rudra.
She's a writer, Anu.
So? I am your partner. I don't even want her shadow around you. I don't trust her. Now the choice is yours. Partner or writer? You trust me, right?
What sort of a question is that?
Yes or no?
Of course, yes.
Rudra, trust me. Maya has an agenda. She's trying to trap you. Why? I don't know, but whenever you are with her, I am kind of scared. I haven't asked anything from you till date, but I'm going to today. Please stop meeting her. Promise me?
Promise.
So from now on, Maya's chapter is over.
Hey dear. Turmeric? Do you know the meaning of having turmeric on your face? This means you are also going to get married soon.
It's accidental. Someone gave it to me.
Who?
Rudra.
Rudra? Rudra is getting married? With whom?
Ananya. His best friend.
It is impossible. It's completely wrong. He is dear. Maya? Maya, Rudra is a good person.
Ananya is also a good girl.
True. But she is not my daughter Maya. Dear Maya, Rudra is a gem of a person. He is born for you. To save you from the darkness.
Go and sleep. It is quite late now.
Maya, I actually thought you both are in love with each other. I have seen love for you in his eyes. And love in your eyes for him.
There is no room for love in my life, and there is no room for Rudra in my life. Do you get it?
Maya, easy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's go. You should sleep. Let's go.
Maya, can I confess something? Despite knowing about your plans and intentions, I think you have a faint hope for love.
Rajiv, my life is colorless. This temporary color of turmeric won't add any color to my life. In 2 days, Rudra will not be getting married. It will be his funeral procession. Come on, you have to come in.
What will I do here? This ceremony is for girls.
Come on, stop
Rudra?
it.
Is it nice? The only people in my heart, Rudra and Rishi. Love you.
Love you, Mom.
Now I'm going to steal him from you.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
You carry on. I'll be around.
Excuse me, what are you thinking about? This is for you, and you have to come with me over here.
Oh.
Sir, you have a call.
Hello?
Hi, Rudra. It is said that when you write someone's name on your hand, their fate gets entangled with yours.
Why did you call me, Maya?
Rudra, I just want to meet you one last time, please. I want to separate you from my fate. Please, Rudra. Come to the beach house once, please.
No, tell me whatever it is right now. Don't expect me to come to the beach house.
Won't you give me a last chance to see you at least?
No. Because you don't want to meet me, but you want to play with me. You think I'm your toy. You play around with my mind and my feeling. And I've had it. If you want to tell, then tell me about your feelings. Tell me your truth. Can you do that? You don't. All right then. Let me tell you about my feelings, okay? I want to get married to Ananya. Now you can do whatever you want to because for me, your game is over.
The game has just started, Rudra. Thank you, Rudra. Thank you. You?
Ananya, Rudra's would-be wife, whose henna ceremony was going on.
Ananya,
You wanted to meet Rudra, right? Isn't it? Didn't you feel guilty when you were talking to him on phone?
How did you know?
I'm sure you think of me as a fool. But I am not one, Maya. I never trusted you, nor will I ever trust you. And talking about Rudra, he will never meet you. Do you know why? Because he chose me, not you. Despite this, you're still after him. You don't respect anyone, at least respect yourself. You wanted to trap him in your stupid game. It is useless, Maya. You know why? Because I am with him, his Ananya.
His friend or his love? Does Rudra love you?
Rudra is getting married to me.
I know, but does he love you? Ananya, the relation that doesn't have love becomes a burden eventually. Will you be able to live with this burden forever? You'll spend every night in his arms even after knowing that this is a compromise and not a relation.
I love him.
I know. But the grace that you're trying to find in him, you will never get to see it. You tell me that I don't respect myself. And you? You are not even respecting the person whom you love the most in this world. The man you love.
What do you want?
I wanted to give you a wedding gift, Ananya. To both of you. I wish you get my happiness and every hope of mine.
Just stay quiet, Maya. Just stay quiet.
It is said that when you write someone's name on your hand, their fate gets entangled with yours.
Anu? Anu, what happened? What happened? Tell me.
She is not right, Rudra. Her mind is not fine.
You met her? Anu, you made me promise not to meet her and you went and met her. Why?
Her mind is not fine, Rudra.
What did she say, Anu? Did she tell you anything? Has she done something? Has she scared you? Tell me what has happened. Tell me the truth.
Rudra, I told you that the game has just begun. You should have come to play this game yourself. Silly, silly, silly boy. You made a big mistake by sending Ananya. The message that I wanted to give you directly, that message will be given to you by Ananya. The message of my tears.
She was crying.
She was crying.
She was crying for me. And she told me that you don't love me. And if there is no love in a relationship, there is no happiness. And she can't see me unhappy all my life. That's why she wants to meet you and tell you that she will never come back into our life again. She will never come in between us. Only because she wants me to be happy.
And you have a problem with that. She didn't misbehave with you, she didn't warn you, nor she tried to harm you. I think you're overthinking, that's all. You need to calm down.
Rudra, it's not what she has spoken to me. It's the way that she has spoken to me and...
Calm down, Anu, calm down. Everything's alright, okay?
Rudra,
Tell me,
will you do me a favor?
what is it?
And both of us have made a decision.
Maya,
What?
There won't be a music ceremony or a cocktail party. The wedding will take place directly. The wedding will happen tomorrow.
Rudra's wedding is preponed. It's tomorrow. Now what's the game plan?
Game plan? You think this is a game plan? Rajiv, this is not a game plan. This is my life. This is my life. And Rudra cannot play with my life. He can't go astray.
Maya? What happened, Maya? Dear? What happened?
To reach my goal, I have to use you unwillingly. I'm sorry, Mom.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.